sorry about not posting a video for a while, but we've been actually tearing down a trailer and getting all the scrap sorted. We just finished up about maybe an hour and a half ago, all the copper wiring, well, the rest of it. And we're taking that in the morning. But for now, I bought from Vevor 2 products, and I'll open them and show you with you. But this is not a promotion or any kind of sponsoring video. I just want to show you what I got and show my thoughts upon it. Oh, and this is my helper, Dom. She's my niece. I already opened this part.
It's a rat down there.
Are you going to tell them what it is?
Yeah.
What is it? Tell them.
No, when you open it, I will tell them.
This is actually a hunting knife that we made for my brother-in-law. It has a real deer antler with a piece of resin right here. And just a simple hunting knife. You can order them on my website.
Okay.
Okay, so we got instructions. Hold those.
No, I won't put it on it.
What do you think it is? Or are you not going to tell them?
Just take this out and I will tell them. Just take both of them out and I will tell them.
Okay.
Just take the scale out and I will tell them.
Okay, we'll throw the box on the floor.
So I can lose it. I can lose the box.
Careful, there's a cord in there.
Do? I'm not forget to take out a cord. There.
Pretty blue, huh?
Yeah.
It says, remind the indicator is inside a weighing pan.
And then left. Oh. That's a battery game.
No, not a battery thing.
You see?
I don't know what that's for.
That is turn on one.
Oh,
Ooh.
fancy.
Fancy. Daddy, waiting. Daddy, waiting you.
Is this still hanging on the wall?
Uh-huh.
So if you want to leave it permanently, that'd be kind of cool.
Yeah.
Like right by my door.
You can put it in
It's a wireless,
Just open up the box.
It don't open up. This just slides in here. When you don't want to use it.
There's a scale.
Yeah, it's a scale, huh? That's gonna be pretty cool. And at the end,
I want to open.
at the end of the video, we'll use it. We're gonna show what it does. We got another package to open. We have 2. Watch fingers.
Can you
Take
just
that.
open
Go.
it? Can you open it?
I'll
please?
set it over here.
Okay.
Okay, can you just open
Nope, don't open it. Can't lose it.
What's this
Okay,
for?
first, we also ordered, I gotta tell you before I open the box, and tell you what it is. That, this is ceramic fiber rigidizer. Is that how you say it? Rigidizer?
Rigidizer.
Yeah. 2 bottles of it.
Don't have visitors.
We're hoping we bought the right size. Well, see, I've always, my mom and Davey, they got me hooked up on the Vevor,
Where's the
Films.
skateboard?
and I've never switched. For
What is
Christmas,
skateboard?
I got 2 different ones. Down, back up.
Because you want to
Sharp knife.
It's a good thing I want. How come I can call?
Now, I've always said good things about my combs.
I mean, how come I can call to them?
Then talk.
When you sold them account.
Okay, you got your user manual?
It's not a menu.
Manual. Instruction booklet.
Yeah.
I know what it is.
Okay, this is a handle. Hold that. Do not drop. Okay. These are the brass shut-off valves. It is a stainless steel. Can they still see me?
Go on.
These are the burners. Yeah, the burners and the brass shut-offs.
That's how my thing called.
It is a stainless steel kiln. Well, melting furnace. Then talk.
How could you sew them a kiln?
But you're getting mad at me because I'm trying to explain what I got.
I'm not getting mad.
Okay. Tongs. Use those for everything.
Tots. And then a kiln.
What is this?
It's some kind of food.
Hey, don't touch
Don't
that.
pick at it.
Dom,
Dom.
stop. It'll make your hands itchy.
I don't really have hands, you see.
Okay, this is the lid. Please quit.
Why this on it? After you told them to come right your call. Okay, Anthony?
I think this is fire brick.
It is.
Let's open it. No, something is wrong.
She's working on it, Dom.
And this is the beauty.
I want to get mad. I'm getting mad. Hi. I said hi to down. Okay. How come I can call? How come I can call him? And how come
Then you have your regulator with your hosing,
how come I can call?
and it connects to your propane tank and tells you to go. It tells you the max of it at the max that you can go up to 30 miles or not 30 miles, 30 psi's.
Hey.
It comes with a nice pot.
How
that you
come
have
I
to.
can call?
Please stop so I can talk. Isn't it for 200 degrees Fahrenheit for so many hours? For about an hour or two?
Something like that.
Okay, giving you a rough estimate, I guess. I won't be using this one right away because I have aluminum to melt and I want to be able to use my big pot.
You like it?
Yeah, of course I like it. Little crack right here, but hey,
Crack or chip.
not crack. It's a chip. I think it's because of shipping,
Okay.
but it's perfectly fine. Can't have everything. It's still good.
Can I talk?
More fire brick.
Can I talk?
Hang on, Dom.
And that is a count.
Mhm.
It's so fair.
Okay, the nice thing about this, why I ordered the specific one, is watch.
I like this.
Back up.
I like
Back
this.
up, Dom.
Back up. I have something cool to show them.
How come I can't
Okay,
talk?
so
Oh.
not only is it stainless steel, but it has two burners. And I think it goes like this.
It does.
Like that, right?
Mm-hmm.
And when the
Why
lid...
is that a hole? I know.
Where's the handle?
I didn't want it to hold it. Can I have that?
Not yet.
Don't touch it.
Okay, you gotta take these out. And then this will go just like this. But you gotta take those out and then put them back in, screw them on, and your lid will go perfectly on there. Not sure. Exactly.
You don't use it during the foraging part.
Well,
the
no.
lid?
But when you use the cone, you have to use it.
Right.
How do you take the lid on and off
What do you mean?
to open the cone?
With the handle?
With the handle?
You mean when
Oh,
you're using the forage part?
No, the cone. You just lift it up and on?
Yeah.
Okay, so that would fit perfectly. Then talk, Don. I needed to show them.
You need to stop.
But yeah, this is my new cone. And tonight, I have to empty a spray bottle out. One more for water. This, you put this into a spray bottle. Never used it before, actually. You apply it to one piece of 24 by 24 ceramic fabric blanket to be rigidized.
Let me see it.
And let it sit for 24 hours. She's playing in the reflection.
I know.
I want to make a hole.
It still has the stuff on the bottom. Here.
Yay. The water. What are you doing? Sophie.
I've never had a stainless steel pan.
It's good. Can I cough now?
Sure, Don. What are the colors?
Hi, cock.
It's just a little hole.
It's a boy. I mean, it's good open.
What? What'd you say?
I said, it's a new food open. And by the way, that is right there. Over here, over there, that counts.
Got it.
Pretty cool. Well, by the way,
We're just waiting on David to do the rigidizer.
and by the way, in the end, we're gonna lift
Okay, burners are on.
and let's do what it does.
No, not what it does.
I don't know what we're going to do.
You have to hook that stuff up first before you hook that up to the
We are
telly.
going to show you something, what it does.
What do you mean what I'm doing?
Yeah, you're doing it backwards.
How?
Because
Oh.
the hosing has to
I
be
just
hooked up
wanted to
first.
see how this was on.
Oh,
Can I leave these ones in here if I do the hose first?
no.
No?
No, because you got to screw them on. There you go.
My bad. Used to the one button.
And by the way,
I know.
Do you just spray it evenly?
well,
Yep.
we are
Man, I've never done this before.
I've winged it. Never done that.
Get back, please, Dom.
You can't even see it.
That's because it's so frail.
You need my help.
And by the way,
I sprayed right here in front.
Don't breathe that in.
I'm not. I'm trying to look and see what you're doing.
Leave it alone.
sorry guys.
Get away from the camera.
Come on. This way.
I want to see what you guys doing in the camera.
Did you put the whole bottle?
I do flashing.
Yep.
I do flashing.
You're good.
Hi.
Now.
Do you spray along the top
Can you
edge too?
see?
Yeah.
I can see you guys.
Sorry.
You're okay. It's just cold. You're sitting on my stuff. Stop.
What is the end we going to?
Show them the scale.
Can I pop down when you kick it off?
Okay. Spray the lid.
I can spray a lid.
No.
Why? Why I can't
Leave
spray
this
a
stuff
lid?
alone.
Can I spray a lid?
Something.
Can I spray a lid?
No,
Why?
because this is a chemical.
That's very bad for you.
What's this?
That's fire brick.
I just want to feel it.
Stop it.
I wanted to feel it.
I know, but it leaves stuff on your hand.
Okay, open
The
up.
Papa's spraying that, so be careful.
She's got to get out of the way.
Come on, Dom.
Quit it. He's spraying a chemical.
I want to feel it. Can I feel the other one? Can I feel the other one? By holding it? I want to hold it.
Let it go.
I want to hold
These are
it.
expensive, babe.
I want to hold it. I won't break it. I won't break it. I won't break this. Why are you feeling the resin?
That bird's done. Now you got 24 hours for that to dry.
That's cool that in the book,
Yeah?
they tell you the melting point in Celsius for all the metal.
Tell them.
Except brass. Put those down. They give you, please move. They give you a little chart of all the all the metal names, except for brass.
Oh, yeah.
And the melting point for them.
Now
But
you
the
see
only
that
bad
one in
thing
the
is,
back?
hey,
Yeah.
please.
I'm listening.
The only bad thing is, for me, I need to know in Fahrenheit, not Celsius. But I can easily go online and check the difference between Celsius and Fahrenheit. And they also come with a packing list of what you get if you didn't know exactly what they were called. And instructions how to assemble the burners, the handle, the nozzles,
And the
Everything.
fire foot?
and the fire brick. Yeah, but that's simple.
What is this for?
It's to plug in the scale.
Plug. I plugged in.
The maximum temperature for
I plugged in.
kiln slash the furnace in general, the maximum is 2,700 degrees Fahrenheit. So that's just a little bit about the book. You will read the rest if you buy your own one. Your own. Highly recommend it. I love these so much.
I wonder what this.
The one thing we've seen it doesn't come with,
I
the
It's gloves.
refractory cement, no gloves.
But hey, You get a great deal for it to be a forge and a kiln.
And today,
For it to be able to melt metal and be my steel for knives,
I put it.
Yep.
that's a great deal.
And
Yeah.
Today.
I mean, it's not like we don't have gloves, and it's a good thing I bought a lot of refactory cement.
Fly. Well, what?
I would think there'd be air covers for those air holes too.
What are you talking about? No, it's this one here is all controlled by
Isn't it pressured by the...
regulator.
Okay. Time to try out this bad boy.
So, can you pick that comb up and move it into the kitchen?
Can I hold
But
it?
don't touch the...
Cable.
Can I hold it?
No.
Why? Why I can't hold it?
Stop it.
That gets plugged into the scale, not in that, in the scale.
I'm going to get something
Are
to eat.
you sure?
Yeah, I'm positive.
Wait for me.
The hole for it's on this side. Sit down. Is there a spot for batteries in that too?
Yeah, right there.
Look underneath it.
That's nice. It came with batteries. Do you have to pull this still?
Yep. Pull that, it activates the batteries.
I can't hold it.
Came with batteries all the way around. Wait. 2 different types of batteries for both. How come this has a charging spot?
So you don't always have to use,
Wi-Fi?
no, so you don't have to use the batteries
Oh.
in the scale, just in the remote.
But this has a...
There's probably an adapter cord where you can plug it in.
Same spot.
Or that is a recharger for the batteries.
Hi, Papa.
I'll have to look more at the instructions for that. It says...
Please go sit down.
I want to see. Is it still fasting?
Mm-hmm.
I heard not saying something.
I was trying to read the instructions real quick. It said on the side of this, okay, you have the indicator and the jar cover, which is right here. This is called the power adapter. And then this is called the weighing plate.
Oh, I see her moving.
We need to get on the ball. This battery's almost dead.
Okay, so what are we weighing?
The copper.
Okay.
Put it on the table.
You guys are gonna pick up that whole bin?
Yeah.
I can see you did really, Papa.
Zero it out.
It just turned off.
Okay.
It still says 0 pounds. Oh, it's Wi-Fi button's flashing.
Stop.
There you go. Okay, try it now. Okay, it is reading at 2 pounds, 14 ounces.
Push off and then, or
Come on,
off and then back on.
throw- Okay.
Then it'll clear it.
So, is that just for the tote?
Yeah.
Let it go. Get away from it. So, I could press tear if you want me to.
Try it. There you go.
So,
Alright.
it was 2 pounds, 14 ounces. We pressed tear, now it's reading back as 0. So, can you make it so fast?
Something's off.
Yeah, it's still flashing.
Pick it up. Okay, leave it like that.
This is a baby live doll. That's how I turn it on.
You get a grip on it.
Come on.
Dom, can you help them?
Yeah. Hi, Mom.
Good
Watch
job,
out.
Dom. Okay. My scale is reading at 41 pounds, 8 ounces.
Can I see how tall it is?
That is with a full bare bright worth
Can I
of
hold
copper, and the
Can I hold
scrapyard that I go to is Padnos. The guy, all the people there treat me very well, and that's where I'll be taking it in the morning. This is actually called bare bright wire. It is all except 11, between 11 pounds and 11 pounds to 15 pounds that I'm missing for a full trailer that we just tore down. So we got 41 pounds. Dom, can you please stop so I can have
Can
it
I hold
accurate?
it?